What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Ghostface from Scream. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the inside edge of the eyes. And we leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that comes down. And we'll just bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the top over on the right side and curve this in the opposite direction, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the top of the eyes, so going up and then back down. And then we'll draw a larger curve along the bottom, starting on the left, come all the way around, and bend that in. And we'll close the outside with a slight bend. Now let's go in and fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start over on the left with a half circle, going up and then back down. Now let's round out the bottom of the nose. Starting back on the left, come down and up in the center, come down towards the right, and we'll fill the center of the nose. Let's leave a gap underneath the nose and draw the top edge of the mouth. So we'll start on the left. Going up and then down, and then from the sides we'll come straight down and then bend that in. Let's round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up, and then we'll fill the inside of the mouth. Now from here we're going to draw a thick edge around the eyes. Let's start from the left side. We're going to step out. Just going to follow that curve of the eye coming all the way around. And just pull that in. Let's work our way towards the top of the brow. Bending this in and up. And we'll curve this around the top of the eye and then bend that back down. Let's go underneath the cheeks. We're just going to curve the head coming in and then down towards the mouth. And then let's round out the bottom of the chin, coming down and then back up. Now we're going to close off the top of the head. Starting on top of the left brow, curve this up and then bend that back down. Now from here we're going to draw the outside of the hood. In the center, let's step up. Curve this around and then down towards the side. Go back up to the top, round up the top, coming down towards the right. Let's bend the hood around the cheeks. Coming down and out. And we'll pull that down. Now it's going to pull the hood coming in just underneath the chin, leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw the bottom edge of the hood, starting from the chin. Just going to follow that curve going out and then up towards the side. And we'll add another fold along the inside, starting underneath the cheek, coming down, and then bend that in. Let's fill the inside. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head. Curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and down towards the same height. And it'll connect the hips with a curve, going down and then up. Let's draw the top of the belt. From the left hip, we'll step up, draw that same curve. Now from here, we're going to draw the left arm holding the knife. Starting underneath the head, bend the arm going out, and then up towards the wrist, and it will curl around the thumb. And go up, bend the thumb coming down, round out the tip of the thumb, and pull that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the handle, starting from the side of the thumb with a half oval. Step down, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's place the handle on top of the hand. Starting on the left, go straight up, draw another line coming from the thumb, close off the top with a curve. Now we're going to line up the right side underneath the hand, coming straight down towards the tip of the blade. Let's go back up to the hand, go straight out toward the side, connect the left side to the bottom with a curve, coming down and then in. Now we're going to go back up to the wrist and draw the sleeve, coming in, just pull that all the way down. I'm going to add a couple points coming back in towards the body. Then it's up and in, come down with a short line, pull this up and in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to go back to the hand, step down, draw the palm, coming in and up underneath the sleeve, and from this bottom point, angle this up and out. Let's fill the inside of the sleeve. And now we're going to move over and draw on the right arm. Let's start underneath the head. Just going to bend this down and back up towards the wrist. And from the wrist, draw the thumb going up and then down. Round out the thumb and pull that back up. Now let's draw on 3 fingers. Starting from the top of the thumb, we go up and then back down. Round out the finger and pull that back up. Let's add 2 more fingers underneath. Starting from the outside, come around, pull that back out, and do that once more. Now let's draw the cuff. Starting from the inside of the thumb, come in, and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to add those 2 points, going up and in, and down, and pull that up towards the side of the body. Let's go back and round out the palm, coming down and up behind the finger, and then from the bottom, angle this up behind the hand, and it will fill the inside. Now I'm going to move down and draw the side of the cloak. Let's start from the left hip, bend this out, and then down on top of the foot. Do the same thing on the right. Let's curve the top of the foot, going up, and bend that back down. Connect the inside with a curve coming down and up. Now let's draw the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left, come down, and then up on the outside. And we'll curve the foot going up and then in toward the outside point. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Now let's add a seam coming down the center of the body, starting underneath the chin, straight down in behind the belt, continue down towards the bottom. And that's pretty much it. This is a cartoon illustration of Ghostface. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every weekday. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.